Welcome back. It's like 90 degrees or above today. I was gonna go for a motorcycle ride, and I got down the street, bottom of the hill. It's probably about a mile, and stopped at the stoplight. I went to go. It just started making this clunk 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 noise. I'm like, oh, what is this? So I rolled it over into the post office and went back with my truck and trailer and picked it up. But I'm not quite sure what's going on with it. Alright, got it in first gear. And hear that? It's coming from right here. Lucky you can't smell me. It's hot in here. But I want this thing to work again. Washer. Yeah, we're on the other side now. The side by the brake caliper. I'll just leave it there. Did you see where that fell from? Look at this, huh? Is that special? Not really. Why isn't it coming off? Isn't it supposed to come off? It's supposed to come off, right? Oh, there we go. Just need a little persuasion. I mean, focus, camera. Focus on that thing. Focus. I can't really tell. Look, these guys. They look not great. They should mesh in there, right? I mean, they have to. I don't think that's our problem. Plus, big ones for the top. And don't worry, the oil's not going to come out. There's probably going to be grease kind of thing. There we go. Bet you this is where she bit it. Or maybe inside of here. Let's take a look. Well, that focus. Doesn't look great either. But again, something broke and I don't see any metal. Alright. I mean, that looks, yeah, it's really dark in there. they're all still there. It's got to be in here. Oh, look, we're leaking a little bit. We're flipping it all around, crazy angles. Alright. I didn't really see anything yesterday to show me that, you know, splines were broken or pieces of metal were everywhere. Alright, now I did notice there was a whole bunch of dust in here. And where there's dust, there's wear. But let's take a peek at the hub. Now the hub looks pretty good, right? But there's a weird bunch of dents on it. Plus, there is actually a void back here. You know, they're raised. You can't really see it because that lip is there. But they're raised up, and then their diameter is less after the spline. Which then you take a peek at this and you're like, oh, all the splines are fine. Look at that. But if you get way in there, you start to notice those are just little pieces. The rest of them on the inside are gone. So I'm going to go to the motorcycle junkyard near my house and see if they've got anything for me now that I've found out what the actual problem is. Alright, so we've got to get this out of here. I'm assuming we bend back these little tabs here and undo these guys and something will come out. Sound good? And then these bolts have to be on the other side, because if you look from this side, it's just the rotor bolts. There's no other. It's a, you know, it's all a cast piece. You can't get in there. So I'm just gonna go explore a little bit. So to get this guy out, I think you just kind of go around the outside, little by little, because there's little rubber boots that all these 6 bolts sit in. They are gone. And then there's just that little tooth. Come on, camera, focus. There's just that little tooth sitting there. It's like, hi, I'm Broken Spline. How are you? Yeah, I'm Broken Spline, man. Now I've just got teeth. I'm gonna bite you. Good luck finding another one of me. I'm not gonna find another one of you, Mr. Spline. I'm gonna get one of those good black ones. Oh, I'm the golden one. No, I'm the golden one. Alright, here's a better description of what I was trying to show. Ooh, you can see it good there, where all the teeth are. But it's supposed to go onto this and fit nice and clean. Well, she just falls. Well, when it's under load, it spins. So it just falls in there and then you got nothing left. Even though when you look at them, they look fine. Trickery. Oh man, now I can't get it off. It's like stuck in there now. So I went to the junkyard by my house and I got one. It's the gold one. Couldn't find a black one. I'm probably gonna order one on eBay. Wow, man. So look how eaten that already is. Boy, that's a nice tight fit, isn't it? Well, I'd give that a week. I don't think there's a certain way. I'm gonna match up the little rusty spots with the 2 bolt holes, just because that's probably how it went in there. I'll go all the way around her. I like how you took it out until that ledge reaches the place you're supposed to put those these things. You know, they got to go in like a lip right there. So you gotta make sure that lip is level with their mount. Looks good over there. Looks good on the bottom. Now you may have been wondering what this thing is attached to my GS850 axle bolt wrench. This whoosh, is like a Swiss Army knife. Comes out and it's able to hold on to the axle inside here. If I can do it right there. So it holds it at the right height. So when I deliver this thing, it doesn't get jammed in between that space. But there's a separation, so I can just yank it out of there before I push it all the way in. I mean, it can't hurt, right? Oh, did I just lose some of my Q-tip in there? Yeah, it'll be fine. Like Isaac always says. I don't know. Whoa. That was a long extension I put in the other side to hold everything else together. You want to line that up too. Like it looks like it's for a keystone, but it's actually to put your flathead in there so that this doesn't spin while you tighten the other side down before you get this bolt in there, or while that one's in there. Just pop the rest of that through there, put the washer on the other side, and then the castle nut. Bring the caliper back up, put that bolt in there, and I think it'll be pretty close to being done.